Hey, so looking at your guys' website, it looks pretty nice. You guys only have 434 words of content on your page. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. It'll help Google find keywords on your website, as well as it will it'll help boost your ranking. Um, Next thing would be images. You want to make these a keyword. So Google can't see what photos are, but it can see what they're saved as, and it'll give you a keyword for that. So you'd want like roof repair, Wichita, Texas, or Wichita Falls, or whatever keyword you want to rank for. Um, let's type in roof repair, Wichita Falls. First, there's got the ads up here. These you have to be certified by Google to get. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. And then you got the original ads here. And then you got the GMB. And then you got organic ranking. This is the directory. Grabbing this guy, putting him in. Here's what his website looks like. He only has 188 words of content. So, you could just add more. You could never have too much content. But, I like to have at least 1,000 on my homepage. But, you can add as much as you want. The more you add, the better. It's doubtful this guy saves his images right. Most people don't. It's just a missed opportunity. If you don't, he doesn't. So now you have an advantage over people that don't because they missed the opportunity. Next thing would be Ahrefs. Plugging in here, you got a 5 UR, 0 DR, 23 backlinks, 8 referring domains, 100 organic keywords, and you got 19 people a month to your website. Let's see what your keywords are. So you got some your top ones are good keywords. Location specific, buyer intent, 80 volume, 10 KD. You're position 5, so you're on the first page for these ones. So that's good. And, it looks like you guys are, Google's found some of your keywords they want to be ranking for, and you're starting to rank for them. So the higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. The lower the KD, the easier it is. 10's not too bad, and you're already ranking for it, so that's good. I mean, you could try to bump up, to number one spot or try to get higher on there. It won't be too hard to go up. I'd have to check out the competition. KD just tells me how easy it is to rank on the first page. So to rank at the first spot, I would have to go check out the competition to get a better idea on that. Yeah, now you can come down here and see how you guys are doing on your keywords. It's just, it's nice to know and nice to see stuff. And, you might realize, there's a lot of volume for, 30 volume here, 1 KD, metal roofing, Labak. I don't know where that is. That might be your Oklahoma location. I'm not, oh no, it's Texas. I'm not from Texas, so I don't know the cities too well. I have been there a few times. But let's go plug in your competition. So this guy has 23 UR, so he's got decent UR, but his DR is pretty bad. He's got 126 backlinks, 36 referring domains, 123 keywords, and he gets 141 people a month to his website. So this guy's he's okay. He's not he's not the best. If I went to Dallas or Fort Worth, you'd probably find a lot better websites there, and obviously you'd find more volume and traffic there as well, and the KD would probably be higher too. But you want to go, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after high DR, high UR scores. This one actually looks like a pretty good one. Let's see what it is. We're open for business. This is advertising. Yeah, so it looks like all you have to do is type in your information and your website and submit. Yeah, and then you can get that backlink. I'm actually gonna bookmark that one for myself, just to keep, because that's not a bad backlink. Obviously it's gonna, it's not necessarily gonna be location. It's not going to be like. So you want to make sure you get non-spammy ones, as well as you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. So this one's not as relevant, but it still is. It's going to have a lot of different people backlinking. Um, it's going to help some because it's got a DR and a UR score. But obviously, if you got something that's specific to the construction, it's going to help a lot more. So that's just it's going to give you some strength, but not you know not the most. But you can go check out other ones. Um, you can go check out other competition too as well and get theirs. So the ways you can get backlinks are blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, advertising, citation directories, news articles, basically anything that'll link back to you. Yeah, you can get a backlink from them. Again, you want to make sure it's not spammy and as well as relevant to industry. I'd like to go check out this guy's keywords, see what he's ranking for. So riffing Wichita Falls, Texas. I think you have those two on yours. Roofing companies. Gutters, 20 and 0. But I could check out other locations. I saw you had like three locations on your website, and so we could go check out those as well. As well as we could check out cities around there. Like I know Dallas and Fort Worth are going to have a lot more volume and traffic on there for their keywords. I'm not sure if you really want to get into those cities or not. So I'd have to talk to you and figure out what you wanted. Wichita sighting right there, 40 and 0. So we could talk more and figure out what all you want. Wichita Roofing Company, 150 and 12. I don't know if that's on your website or not, but that's good volume. Decent, KD is not too bad. Siding companies, 40 and 0. 15.9 right there. Another thing to note is, this is the average cost per click right here. So if you wanted to do Google Ads, we could come in here and find the ones, obviously I would try to find ones that are cheaper than $30 a click on average. So that's roofing. Let's find, this one's $10, it's a third the price. Obviously there's going to be a lot more volume to there, so, I'm sure there's a better one than that. Here's window replacement. I don't know if you do that. But yeah, you can come down here and find here roofer Wichita right there. Super cheap. No one's paying for ads there. And you could just throw them up there, throw an ad in there. And, only 20 people. I guess it was Kansas has Wichita in it, so maybe these keywords are not the best ones since they could be going towards Kansas instead of just Texas. But yeah, next thing I'm going to show you is the GMB. I saw your GMB. It didn't look like it was 100% set up. You want to make sure you complete it 100%. The more Google likes it when you fill stuff out. It's its own thing, and it's going to boost your ranking if you have it 100% complete. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. I think you just right down here. Here you guys are. But yeah, I found that now. You might have it 100% filled out. But then add as many photos as you can, and then citations. You want to make sure your name is the same. Citations of directories. You want to make sure your name's the same for your GMB and your directory. Your phone number is the same, and your location is the same. That's the thing that I didn't see. I don't know if you have your location on your GMB. Because I don't see it. You might just be hiding it, which is fine. You don't have to show it. Just want to make sure you have it. You just want to make sure you have it there. Here you guys have 31 citations, so you guys are actually beating this guy in citations. So that's good. We can see what citations you have. You can also get social profile citations as well, like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Pinterest is actually a really good one to get. It's a pretty high DA score. You got the BBB I see. There's Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get You probably have those as well. You got MapQuest. So you guys have some. I'm sure you guys know about them then. But you can Google for them. You can go check out other competitors and find theirs and grab theirs. You can. It's time consuming, but it's something you can definitely keep doing. Keep adding more of them. It's going to definitely help your ranking with the GMB. Hopefully that helps. I'd love to talk more if you guys want. I'd love to get your feedback on this video as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.